Hello scientists, this is your video tutorial for Tuesday and Wednesday, January 19th and 20th. I'm not giving it a module name because we are just using this week to get help and finish up assignments that have already been assigned. So I don't have a new module for today. So I'd like to start you by asking you to go to Skyward and click on your grade for this class, and there are 3 assignments in Skyward. I want to walk you through what those are, but it's important to know what you have marked missing, or if you have less than an A on any of those assignments, it's important to look at the feedback that I gave you so that you can improve your understanding before we move on to more difficult concepts. So the first assignment on there, most of you have finished, but for those of you who might not, it is from module number 1, and it's called Which Type of Energy? So quiz at the bottom, which type of energy, from module number 1, January 6th. And this is simply 8 pictures and a description. Read the description. And you need to categorize them as potential or kinetic energy. So this is an 8-point assignment. The second assignment in Skyward is from module 2, and it is the Energy Skate Park. So I know several of you have spent a lot of time on this. It's an important one. It's a really good practice to work towards mastery of potential and kinetic energy. So if this is not finished, go down to module 2, and there are 2 choices for everybody. So you have the Energy Skate Park simulation, and that's just an assignment, and then you have a quiz called Energy Skate Park. You do not have to do both. You have to do one or the other. I recommend the quiz. It seems to be a little bit, it's the same assignment, don't get me wrong, but it seems to be easier for a lot of people to get through it because a lot of the questions are in multiple choice format. Okay? The assignment version is a Google Doc with questions. It's the same questions as in the quiz, same procedure and everything, but this one's been taking people a little bit longer to get through because maybe the instructions are confusing some people. So if you have this one started and need to just finish it, go ahead and do that. And if you have not started at all, then I recommend module 4 and the quiz version called Energy Skate Park. Now, please keep in mind, first thing you gotta do is open up the link to the website at the top. That is where you're getting all the information for the questions from. You're gonna use the intro. If you have a low score for this on Canvas or on Skyward, if your Skyward score is a 3, 2, or 1, then it's super important that you go to the home page and you look in the bottom right corner, you look at the recent feedback section. I make sure to give feedback if I don't give a 100%. So if you have less than an A, then I gave you feedback. That feedback is going to be important for you to look at, read, and you can always redo any part of the assignment and submit it again for more credit. All right, so that's at the home page, and it is in the bottom right corner, kind of where you have the to-do list. Now the third assignment in Skyward, this one's missing for the most people. It's called Calculating KE and PE Practice. Here it is. So it's in module 4, Calculating KE and PE Practice. So this is a worksheet. It is some math problems where we're calculating the problems, we're calculating the energy. Now I recorded 2 videos to help you solve problems 1 and problems 2, which are one of each type of energy. So potential is 1, kinetic is 2. In class, I'm trying to help people work through these, but I want you to work through as many of them as you can and make sure, like in this example, that you're showing work. Okay, showing your work means writing what numbers you're putting in your calculator. Okay, so this one people might need help with in person. So that's what we're going to be doing today, Tuesday, as well as Wednesday, and if need be on Thursday and Friday as well. Okay, so that's what we're doing for this entire week. Now, those of you who have no missing work, you guys have the opportunity to do a fun project that will also help with your understanding of these things. So you're building a catapult with anything you have at home. The project starts here with project overview, and I talked about this in the last video, so if you want to go back to last week, Thursday, Friday, you can watch that video to let you know additional information. Alrighty, thanks for watching.